Get rid of this. So it's this really nice looking brushed steel, stainless of course, waterproof, all of that good stuff. And it's super shiny and neat looking, no sharp edges. It's perfect. This is the knob for the inside and the knob with the fingerprint. Definitely top-notch build quality. And now let's take a close look. For this we will need the tools. Again, this is my second lock. Now I already know them by heart. So first of all, I will show you the inside knob. And for this, we need to unscrew this screw in here. Then this one will come off. So we have this side right here. Then of course the side with the screw with this little indentation and it's like beveled. Then right here, actually like this makes more sense. We have the first notches, the first way to adjust the length for this lock. Notches and screw of course on top. And this way you can easily adjust the length of, well, for this side. Let's take like the third notch just for fun. And this inner knob is of course permanently connected to the lock. So when you turn this knob, you will always turn this part right here to unlock or lock your door. And then on the other side, we have the sensor, we have the brain of this lock, so to say, and here it gets a bit more complicated. So first of all, we also have a screw right here. For this we will need the smaller one, the smaller hex key, delicate screw. Okay, let me actually remove it. And now this will come off easily. As you can see, it will just slide off. In here is the other, well, is the hole for the screw. Or the thread actually. A nice looking threaded insert. There are two guides for this part, and as you can see in here, like the guide rails. So you can't go wrong when you slide it on. And then right here we have the QR code. We'll get to that. And this arrow is the indication for, well, how to open it up. But as you saw, it's super easy. Batteries are not included. You will need 3 AAA batteries. I will insert them in a second. But before I do that, let me show you the way how to adjust this side. And as you can see, there is another screw. We will need, oh my goodness, almost dropped a small screw. Gotta be careful and focused. Anyway, so with this screw, you can adjust the other side. This side won't come off. Just remove the screw. This side won't come off, and right here you have more notches and this indicator 0 up to 20 millimeters. So you can also adjust this side, of course. This is a fully adjustable lock, and as you can see, well, you need to insert the lock first, adjust it, and then remove it again, or just do the setup in place. I will leave it like that. And now let's insert the power source. Did you hear that? Let's go. This goes back, and lastly, of course, the steel cover and this little screw right here. So this concludes the close overview and also the mechanical setup. So done with that, let's check out the specs and the features.